Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. It is the 25th of December, 2021. Yeah, I know I'm in the bathroom, but the other room's kind of messy, so I'm going to film in here. This is an Air King box fan. This was a Craigslist find. It's pretty beat up with the grill. It's real flaky. 3-speed, an Air King. Uncomfortable handle. Interestingly, it's got a metal grill on the back, and it's very similar to the metal grill that's on my Monarch-Aire, and it has the same sticker that's on my Monarch-Aire. Same motor design, too. So I have to wonder if these were made in the same factory. Except this is 3-speed. Get ready for this. Holy crap! This thing ain't even been cleaned. I've had it for a few months now. It's literally moving. This thing is amazingly powerful. Even with how bad condition it's in. Runs like a champ. Here's low. And it has a similar sound and a similar range of speeds too as the Monarch-Aire. So I have to wonder if it truly is the same factory. You can see it really gets down low. It goes even slower than that too. There's that nice whine. But the amount of air that this thing pushes is unreal. This might be my most powerful fan in my collection. It's really moving stuff on the counter. I love that hub design too, where it's got like the 3 holes. I assume that's for motor venting. The Monarch-Aire doesn't have a middle hub. The blade's just attached to the little shaft there. Well, not shaft, but you know what I mean. It's different style blades too. These are more square. Not bad in stopping either. It's got a good spin down. So yeah, that's it. That's the Air King. Like I said before, Merry Christmas.